Hey everybody, Dr. Ninos here with Mast Health. We've had a lot of people asking what are some things in addition to stretches and exercises that they can do at home to kind of make their low back and hips feel better. This is something that's been going around that a lot of people know about, and if you haven't, here it is. It's called the shotgun method for the hips. What you want to do is you want to put your hands on the outside of the hips, push out for about 5, 6, 7 seconds, and then what you're going to do is you're going to put your fists together like this, put your hands between your knees, and then push together. Normally you'll feel a clunk or a pop in the hips or the low back or even in the front of the pelvis. Should take a little bit of pressure off until the next time you have to come see us. Talk to you later and have a great day.